Ever wondered how to achieve that elusive financial freedom? You are in correct place. Welcome to Simple Savings Squad. It's a question that has puzzled many for generations. The dream of financial stability, the thought of an existence where your decisions aren't dictated by the constraints of your finances, is something many of us aspire for. Who wouldn't want to live a life free from the shackles of monetary limitations? A life where dreams are no longer just figments of the imagination, but achievable goals waiting to be conquered. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. The answer to this puzzle, the secret behind this liberty, is comprehending your net worth. However, simply understanding your net worth isn't sufficient. It's about managing, maintaining, and multiplying it. What if there were a tool that could calculate your net worth and its duration? A tool that could potentially lay out the roadmap to your financial emancipation, a tool that could make your dreams tangible. Introducing the groundbreaking tool, the Net Worth Corpus and Duration Calculator. This isn't just any tool, it's the first step towards financial liberation. It calculates your net worth, but it does more than just that. It provides a projection of your wealth over time, offering an understanding of how long it may last, thus providing a clear financial roadmap. How to turn dreams into reality without the constant worry of finances. Well, it's time to unravel the mystery with the groundbreaking tool, the Net Worth Corpus and Duration Calculator. Kickstarting the journey to financial freedom begins with understanding your net worth. To truly grasp the concept of net worth, it is crucial to know that it is the difference between your total assets and total liabilities. But what exactly are these assets and liabilities? Assets are valuable resources owned by you. They include tangible items like your home, car, and other properties, and intangible ones such as your cash in bank, investments, and potential income sources. On the other hand, liabilities signify your financial obligations. They include things like mortgage, credit card debts, student loans, and other dues you owe. The net worth calculator comes into play here. It is a comprehensive tool that meticulously analyzes your assets and liabilities. It leaves no stones unturned in ensuring every aspect of your financial life is considered. From the real estate you own to your outstanding car loan, everything is factored in. The result is a detailed, accurate figure of your net worth, a revelation of your real financial worth. With a clear understanding of your net worth, you get a crystal clear picture of your financial status, enabling you to make decisions that truly matter for your future. This knowledge is a powerful tool in your financial planning arsenal. It provides you the necessary foundation upon which you can build your financial dreams and aspirations. So take the first step towards understanding your net worth to accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. But the journey doesn't end there. This remarkable calculator doesn't just perform basic calculations. No, it pushes the boundaries, striving, questing, always seeking to deliver more you'd expect. It stands tall, like a beacon, guiding you on your journey to financial success. It doesn't just exist, it thrives. It pulses with potential, ready and eager to help you plan your financial future with a precision and acuity unmatched by its peers. Just imagine you have a financial dream, a vision of your future. Maybe it's a house, a car, a world tour, or simply a comfortable retirement. You have an idea of what it's worth, the value it holds in your, as well as in your bank balance. This astute calculator, so much more than a mere tool, steps forward, inviting you to set your desired net worth, to define your objective and place a time frame on your financial aspirations. Then, like a trusted advisor, it sets to work. It crunches the numbers, it analyzes the data, it contemplates the variables. Taking into account your current financial position, the calculator determines the growth rate you need to attain and the investment strategies you should adopt. It provides a roadmap, a plan, a blueprint for you to follow. It doesn't just spit out numbers, it provides you with a comprehensive strategy, a carefully crafted plan designed specifically to help you hit your target. The calculator works out the needed growth rate and investment strategies to help you hit your target. Say goodbye to the perplexing world of investments. This journey of financial growth can be overwhelming, numbers that never seem to add up, financial jargon that seems like an alien language, and the fear of losing your hard-earned money. But fear not. We've got a tool that simplifies it all. The calculator. The calculator offers investment solutions designed exclusively for your financial expectations and goals. The intelligent system undertakes a comprehensive analysis of your risk tolerance. It meticulously understands your financial capacity to bear losses against your desire for high returns. This tool doesn't just stop with understanding your financial appetite, it goes a step further. It embraces the dynamic nature of the financial market, keeping its finger on the pulse of market trends. It uses this data to drive decisions that could potentially enhance your returns. Furthermore, it intelligently uses the principle of diversification to spread your investments across various domains. This strategy helps to minimize risks and increase the potential for higher returns. The calculator is not just a tool, it's a financial advisor that guides you through the labyrinth of investments. It ensures your hard-earned money is put into places that bring you the maximum returns with the least possible risks. It also takes into account market trends and diversification to amplify your returns while keeping risks at bay. Keep an eye on your progress. The world of finance is a complex one, filled with various numbers and figures that can often be confusing. To navigate this world, we have brought the perfect for you, our powerful calculator. This isn't just any calculator, but a tailored solution for tracking your net worth. We've all been there, sweating over spreadsheets, trying to make sense of our financial situation. But when you're trying to calculate your net worth, it can get even more complicated. That's where our calculator steps in. It's designed to give you a clear picture. A comprehensive view of your entire financial calculator works by taking into account your assets and liabilities, computing them in real time to provide you instantaneous updates on your net worth. It's not just a passive tool, it's interactive, allowing you to input changes and see how they affect your overall net worth instantly. Moreover, this tool empowers you to stay on course. It's like having a financial compass, guiding you towards your goals. It doesn't just guide you, it also allows you to tweak your strategies if needed. It offers you the flexibility to alter your financial plans and instantly see the impact on your net worth. It's like having a financial advisor at your fingertips, providing you with the insights you need to make decisions. The calculator doesn't just track your net worth, it also gives you the confidence and the knowledge to manage your wealth effectively. It's time to bid farewell to financial hiccups and welcome a robust plan for success. But why just take our word for it? Allow us to introduce you to the countless individuals who have benefited immensely from the use of our net worth corpus and duration calculator. Their stories, their victories, and journeys towards financial freedom are not just a testament to the effectiveness of our tool, but they also serve as a source of inspiration and motivation. Meet John, a small business owner who was struggling to balance his income and expenses. With our calculator, he was able to see a clear picture of his financial status and make informed decisions. Then there's Emily, a single mother for whom our calculator was a lifeline, helping her build a secure future for her children. Think about Robert, a retired Army officer who utilized our tool to plan his post-retirement life, ensuring a comfortable and stress-free life. Let's not forget Sarah, a fresh college graduate who was able to plan her financial journey right from her first paycheck. These real life illustrate how our net worth corpus and duration calculator has assisted people from different walks of life in achieving financial freedom. It's not just about knowing your current financial status, but also about planning for the future. It's about making informed decisions and taking control of your financial destiny. The success stories of these individuals who have used our calculator serve as a testament to its efficacy. They demonstrate how taking control of your finances can lead to a stable and prosperous future. Their success stories will motivate you to take the reins of your finances and unleash your potential. So, are you prepared to embark on your journey towards financial freedom? Don't postpone it. Launch our net worth corpus and duration calculator today and seize control of your financial destiny. Remember, it's not just about accumulating wealth, it's about investing for a lifetime of freedom.